It's really cool when you're on a time crunch. Your machine likes to work this slow. Come on now. Machine's going super slow, so let's try out this battery. I'm on a time crunch. The machine's going super slow. Nope, never mind, it's just a battery. Holy shit, it might actually get done. Personally, I like using Everlock, but I'm in a different van today, so we're doing okay, finally finishing up in here. Getting ready to get water on. So it's back-to-back toilets, back-to-back valve, back-to-back shower valves. So, tricky thing is it's hot, cold, cold, and when you're doing these, everything's backwards, or the other side's backwards. But we got everything in. Now we just gotta wait for water, and we'll get some walls in here, and it might look pretty decent.
Hey, Tommy.
What's up?
Bring that